Now I am going to show you how I apply Magic John Screen Protector. First, take out your insulation kit and get your alcohol cloth from inside. Tear this off too. Now take it out. Wipe the screen with the alcohol cloth. This is going to remove the fingerprints, grease, and any other dirt in your screen. Then, get the microfiber cloth and remove the excess alcohol from the screen. After that, use our dust removal sticker to remove any other dust or particle. Now let's start applying the screen protector. The top arrowhead is the top which corresponds to the front camera, so make sure to not turn it upside down. Now let's put the case on. And we're going to pull out the dust removal strip. When removing the strip, be sure to just pull it and not press on it. Don't press the middle of the case and don't put your hands on the case either. There is a slot here, swipe it with your finger. Then tear off the sticker from the bottom to the top. When tearing, be careful not to touch the middle position with your hands. Just keep your fingers on both sides of the arrow at the top. After tearing off, the absorption will begin. When the absorption is almost halfway done, we can remove the case. When removing the case, you must do it from the bottom. Pay attention to remove it like this because there is double-sided tape on the top. So you must remove it from the bottom, otherwise it will peel the screen protector off and ruin the whole application. Remove the case and then, to make it absorb faster, swipe from the middle. After the application is completed, we tear off the final film. If bubbles appear during the application, we can use the provided scraper to scrape out the bubbles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like, and share.